Infectious diseases can spread through various means, such as air, sneezes and coughs, water, food, insects, and vectors. Which one of the following diseases does not have a vector? AIDS, malaria, dengue, Zika. Explanation. Correct answer. A vector in the context of infectious diseases is an organism, typically an arthropod like a mosquito or tick, that transmits a pathogen from one host to another. Key point: AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. HIV is primarily transmitted through direct contact with infected bodily fluids, such as blood, semen, vaginal fluids, and breast milk. It is not transmitted through insect bites or other vectors. Additional information: malaria is transmitted by the Anopheles mosquito. Dengue is transmitted by the Aedes mosquito. Zika is primarily transmitted by the Aedes mosquito, although it can also be transmitted sexually or from mother to fetus. These diseases rely on a vector organism for transmission.